Okay, so today we're going to do a review of a couple Coleman products. And the reason I have these is there's a clam dig for the next 3 days for razor clams, but it's a night dig. So I'll show you later on when we're actually out clam digging how well they perform, but I just wanted to unbox these and show you what they look like. So the first thing I got is the headlamp, an LED headlamp, and it's a Coleman product, good for 6 hours. It's supposed to have varying beams, so we'll check that when we get out into the field. The other product I have is a Coleman North Star lantern. It's supposed to work really well for clamming, and it's pretty cool. It comes in this case. It's partially disassembled now because I haven't put it together yet, but we'll do that right now. So it comes packaged up nicely with the mantle right here. Spin off this top lid. Protected with some foam. Looks like a pretty nice, well-made product. Well packaged up. As long as you're reasonably calm with it. This component here actually screws onto one of these bottles. And pop that cap off, and this screws in here. And the neat thing is it has this little foot that folds out, and bottle sits in there. Stop there. Put that off. And that guy just screws in there. I'll just go ahead and hook it up since it's going next. As soon as it gets dark, we're heading down to the beach. Low tide is at 8 o'clock, so the glass slips on like that. I'm going to be upside down. Yeah, seems like that's right. The writing's that way, so we'll go with that for now. Oh, I know, this cage goes on first. Take this guy off of here. Oops. Alright, not 100% sure what that's for, but alright, so there's you can't quite see it, but there's a few little legs, little spots for those little legs to go. The glass goes over top of that. And then we slip over the whole handle assembly. And this little silver nut goes on the top. There you go, there's the assembled product. Then the whole thing, lift it up and carry it around. I'm going to go ahead and put the mantle on as well. So now to get the hang of how that works. And generally, these are pretty simple. You just so you can see there's a couple wires on the top and bottom. And we're going to slip those over top of these little lips, and then we're just going to cinch it up, and that's all there is to it. And they're kind of little, they're like almost like little springs, so you don't have to get too carried away putting them on. Once they go over, they kind of just hook over top one another. And make sure I get the mantle material itself out of the way. And bend them back over themselves, and there you go. It's you want to try to get that shape, decently placed on there, and we should be good to go. I'm going to double check a couple things, and then I'll be back. Okay, really quick, there it is all put back together. I just double checked that mantle on right, and we're good to go. So I'll start filming again later on tonight when we're down at the beach. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up and see how it runs. Bear with me. Here, can you keep your headlight on there? Let's see how this thing works. What if the wind is blowing it out there? Let's go around the other side. Let's try here. So far, are you still filming, Bill?
Yeah.
Well, so far it kind of sucks. With a little bit of wind blowing, it doesn't seem to.
Weird.
Stand back a bit. There we go. Oh. Oh, so it looks like you got to burn it out first.
Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, that's cool.
So after it gets going, alright, well, we'll see how that works. Seems to throw a lot of pressure. Okay, so we're done clamming. We got our 15 clams and everybody's tired. So you can kind of see the kettle burning, or the lantern burning away there. Works pretty good. Derek, shut your headlamp off for a sec. There, so you can kind of, that orange light really helps find those dimples for those clams. But you can see I got a lot of, you can't quite see there. I'll show you in the morning. I'll wipe it off a bit, but digging in the wet sand, there's a lot of sand over. That thing never missed a beat. The mantle's nice and straight on there. It worked pretty good. Pretty good piece of equipment.